This space is our family room. We built it off the kitchen so that it was integrated into the house, but still a separate space. So we wanted to build an indoor room and an outdoor room. When House and Home was here last in 2012, there was no family room in the house. So we added on this room. The aesthetic that we were looking for here was a very relaxed atmosphere that related to the outdoors. So I didn't want to do anything that was hands-off or too formal. I really wanted it to be playful and bright and casual. Because the house is from 1920, I didn't want this room to feel like a complete addition and unrelatable to the rest of the house. So by paneling the interiors with tongue and groove board, we were able to achieve a more historical look or something with a little bit more character. We left the exposed joists and put in some barn board, which relates to different elements of the house. So using it in the ceiling was a way of tying in all the other elements. My favorite piece in the room is really this table that we custom made. I did not want to do a typical conventional rectangular table, so by adding something that was more curved, you're not walking into any sharp corners. It was really important when we were designing this space that it related to the outdoors as well. I wanted to be able to have sort of a friendly, bright space throughout the entire year. This room leads directly off of the kitchen and to the outside covered porch. It was really important for us to build an outdoor porch that was covered so we could use it 4 seasons out of the year. And it's a great space for the whole family to be, and it's a really fun, easygoing space. We were able to put in a lot of furniture that we leave out there all year round. There's some indoor fabrics, there's some outdoor fabrics, and there's actually some antiques. So the eating area, the table is actually an antique table that extends when we have more company. Everything in the backyard we added at the same time, so we put in a lap pool. There's heaters outside, so we use the covered porch probably until about November, and then as soon as the weather gets nice, we're back out there again in April. The best part about this space is that it allows different groupings in different areas for the kids to go. With the TV being outside, they watch their sports games outside, and then we can be in here reading quietly. We love having the space. It's amazing how much time we spend outdoors now. So we finished this about 3 years ago, and every year it gets better and better.